Hello friends, today we are going to prepare lamb trotter soup. The ingredients we need for this recipe are lamb trotters 500 grams, salt 1 tablespoon, apple cider vinegar 1/3 cup, ginger garlic paste 1/4 cup, water about 3 cups. The ingredients for the gravy are green chilies about 2, mint a bunch, sliced onion 1/4 cup, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, wheat flour 1/3 cup, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt half a tablespoon, water 3 cups. Whole spices: coriander seeds 1/2 teaspoon, cinnamon sticks 3, bay leaf 1, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, water half a cup. The appliances we need for this recipe are instant pot because it is easy to cook the lamb trotters. I usually suggest to cook the lamb trotters overnight in the instant pot so next morning it's ready to go into the gravy. But if you're going to serve it for dinner, you can go ahead and cook it during the afternoon. Let's begin the recipe with the washed lamb trotters. Add salt, apple cider vinegar, ginger garlic paste, and about 2 to 3 cups of water. Place the lid on top of the instant pot and remove the pressure from venting to sealing. Choose meat stew option on the instant pot. Press on pressure to get on low pressure setting. We are not going to use the high pressure. On the stove top, heat a saucepan, add water and add in the whole spices. Clockwise, the spices are coriander seeds, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, cumin seeds. Jar, put a strainer on top of it and strain the liquid. We are going to use it for the gravy. Now in a big pot, add cooking oil and let's fry the onions. Once the onions start to get brown, add ginger garlic paste, flour, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and give it a good mix. During this step, the flour is actually getting roasted. Now we are going to add the spices liquid to the pot. Now we are going to add the lamb trotters only to the pot. Give it a good mix so the spices and the trotters mix well. Add in the green chilies and the mint, mix well. At this step, we are going to add the broth of the lamb trotter soup. If you want the soup to be sticky, please do not add more water and let it cook. We prefer non-sticky one, so I am going to go ahead and add some water. Let it cook for about 15 minutes. It goes really well with flatbread or pita. It is a comfort food for rainy days, fall season or winter season.